Don't let winter ruin your Basecamp 20x. Let's get it prepped for off-season storage so it's ready for your next adventure. First, give your tent a thorough cleaning. Use a soft brush and mild soapy water to gently scrub the fabric, removing any dirt, mud, or grime. Pay extra attention to areas that are particularly dirty, like the bottom edges and around the zippers. Next, it's essential to dry your tent completely before storing it. Hang it inside out in a well-ventilated area, ensuring all surfaces are exposed to the air. Make sure there's absolutely no moisture left to prevent mold and mildew growth. Now, inspect all components for damage. Check the poles for bends or cracks, zippers for smooth operation, and guylines for fraying or wear. Repair or replace any damaged parts to keep your tent in top condition. Folding or rolling your tent correctly minimizes stress on the material. Fold it loosely, avoiding sharp creases, and gently roll it up, expelling any excess air. This helps prevent wear and tear during storage. Don't stuff your tent tightly into its bag. Tack it loosely to allow for breathability and prevent moisture buildup. This helps prolong the life of the fabric. Finally, store your Basecamp 20x in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures. A closet, basement, or garage works well, ensuring it stays in excellent condition for your next camping trip.